everyone, I hope you are all well and safe, and today we'll be making another pair of earrings. In fact, we'll be making more than one pair. Don't know how many I will end up making, but at least 3. They are really easy to make and I really hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. So let's get started. So I'm starting with a piece of 20 gauge copper wire and I made an eye on one side, added a small rose gold bead on the top. These beads along with some rose gold chains are a new addition to my crafting supplies and they look great with the copper wire. Then I bent the wire to the side and created large eye on the top of the bead. Next I'm taking another piece of wire, and for this little thing we'll be making, you can either use the widest bit of your chain nose pliers or flat nose pliers. And flat nose pliers are the ones I will be using to create a small triangle. Once the triangle is done, I'm bending the wire and again making a large eye on the top. Okay, so I've had these acrylic swan gems for years, but never knew what to use them for. There are all sorts of sizes, but I'm going for this one. I'm opening the large eye on the two-eyed component. What a great name! Two-eyed component! Anyway, so I'm adding a small piece of chain and following is the swan gem, then closing the eye. I need to attach the other side of the chain to the crystal, and so again I'm adding the chain first and then following with the gem. The trick is to make the chain the right length though. If it's too tight, the earring will keep getting stuck and not move smoothly, so depending on the size of your chain, meaning size of the holes, you'll need to decide on the length. I've added handmade earring hooks made out of copper wire, and as I keep mentioning, I do have a tutorial on how to make identical earring hooks, so feel free to check it out. I then opened the triangle bit the way you would open a jump ring to the side and added small pieces of the same rose gold color chain until they fill the whole bottom bar of the triangle. Then close it again. The next earrings are made using the same or similar technique as the first pair, and to be honest, I just wanted to show you a bit of a variety. These earrings have a completely different vibe, at least in my opinion. I had this swan crystal, I think it was like a spare gem for a dress I used to have years ago. Well, who would have thought I could wear it as an earring? The chains are the same length and yeah, I think they look good, but not as good as this last earring. I think I love this one the most. It's been made with this absolutely stunning Swarovski octagon crystal, gold plated wire and gold chains for the fringe. I had the fringe a lot longer to start with, but it looked odd taking attention from this gorgeous crystal, and so I decided to give this fringe a haircut. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to come in the future if you like, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload them. And that's it really. Just wanted to say I love you all and I will see you next time. Bye!